Back again for Nickels 2 cents, and I am going to still continue with some of the topics that people are asking about in regards to conversations on our Facebook page. So one lady asked what helps arthritis in the neck, and I would say go see a chiropractor. We have a fabulous chiropractor here, Dr. Blazek, and I, as an acupuncturist, would actually send my patients to go see a chiropractor first. So for that one, go see a chiropractor. I have another one that was talking about sleep apnea, and sleep apnea can cause fatigue issues, restless sleep, symptoms of snoring, choking, obviously, stopping of breath can definitely cause weight gain. And what I've seen clinically is a major cause of sleep apnea is actually silent acid reflux. So, when you lay down at night, that acid comes up and, you breathe it in and you're choking and it's going up into the sinuses, causing snoring. And that can definitely cause, the fatigue and the breathing issue and all of that. So a lot of times looking at gut health and dealing with any signs of silent acid reflux can also help the sleep apnea. And then that can also help again with fatigue and weight gain and all of that. So that's what I've seen clinically over the years for the sleep apnea thing. And then there was another one that, remedies for high blood pressure and sluggish thyroid. So, remedies for high blood pressure, well, it's one of those things where you have to figure out what causes the high blood pressure. If it's, your kids, well, I don't know what to tell you about that one. Blood pressure meds won't help with that. If it's from, a kidney issue, that's one thing. If it is due to electrolyte imbalance, that's another thing. Doctors will actually look at, different medications like beta blockers to treat blood pressure. Beta blockers essentially decrease the stress adrenaline response on the heart, because when we get stressed, we produce adrenaline or epinephrine, and then that goes to the heart, and then the heart pumps harder. Sometimes people can't break down excess adrenaline, and that can cause high blood pressure. So beta blockers help to decrease that adrenaline response on the heart. That also helps with anxiety as well. There are natural things like taurine that does the same thing as a beta blocker. Obviously dose dependency is gonna depend on a multitude of things. So really figuring out why the blood pressure is high is really what needs to be addressed. And then in regards to sluggish thyroid, one, we have to look at, does the thyroid have the tools to make thyroid hormone? And ultimately the thyroid needs really two main things: the amino acid tyrosine and iodine. So a lot of times I'll have people use Celtic salt or Himalayan salt. It's a multi-mineral. It has all those minerals in there. And then I will have people take the amino acid tyrosine. And now that's giving the the thyroid the building block to, produce thyroid hormone. So those are my tips for the day, I guess. And that's my 2 cents. So until next time, if you have any, topics you want me to talk about, send them in. This has been awesome. All right, take care.